Hi class, this is course 3, lesson 24, adding and subtracting decimal numbers. This will be short and sweet. It is one slide. You see it right here. Line up the decimals, then add or subtract. So here are the two problems we're going to do today. 3 and 75 plus 82 hundredths plus 4 and 3 and 8 tenths minus 1 and 49 hundredths. So we need to line up the decimals. So let's do that. We're going to write the problem like this. And then, oh, this 4. Where's the decimal in the number 4? Well, it's after the whole number, after the ones place. So that 4 has a decimal, but you can't see it. So make sure that you line that up on the other side of the decimals, okay? It is a whole number, so it goes in front of the decimal. Then add. You can put zeros here if you would like to have placeholders to keep everything lined up. That's perfectly fine. You don't need them, but you can put them in there. And then just add as if the decimals weren't there, but the decimal will stay in the same spot. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15, so put a 5 down and carry the 1. 4, 7, 8. So your answer is 8 and 57 hundredths. Now to subtract, you still need to line up the decimal numbers. So I'm just going to put this 1 and 49 hundredths right underneath there. I'm going to move my subtraction sign out of the way for now. Okay, line up those decimals. Then I'm going to put subtract there so that I remember what I'm doing. Now, I have 9 hundredths here and I need to subtract that. So now when you subtract, you need to put zeros in there because you're going to have to borrow. So we borrow from the 8 and make that a 10. So now 10 minus 9 is 1. 7 minus 4 is 3. The decimal place stays where it was, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer to this problem is 2 and 31 hundredths. Now, to compare decimals, you need to compare decimal place. So we're going to see which one of these two numbers is larger. So look here, the 3 is the same. Go to the next place value, the 7 is the same. Go to the next one, the 5 is the same. Go to the next one, there's nothing there. So you can put a 0 in. Now look, which one of these in the thousandths place is larger? Well, a 1 is larger than a 0. So 3.751, 3 and 751 thousandths is the larger value. You may want to make some notes that I didn't write down, but I maybe said something, you know, like line them up, put zeros as placeholders, compare place value. You may want to put those in your notes. But otherwise, this is lesson 24, and we are done. I will see you in class.